iPhone tips for seniors, how to use YouTube and other basic apps. Hi everyone, welcome to another video on iPhone tips for seniors. For today, I'll show you how to use YouTube and other basic apps. Before we get started with YouTube and other basic apps, let me first show you the App Store. The App Store is where you can download all the applications that aren't pre-installed on iPhone. And to do that, all you have to do is tap on the App Store icon. And from here, all you have to do is tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen in order to pull up the keyboard and look up the app that you want to download. So let's say YouTube. Just wait for the results, and as you can see, these are the results I got. I have the first YouTube, watch and listen and stream, or the YouTube music. So as you can see, since I already have YouTube on my iPhone, I can just open it from here by tapping the open button next to it. But since I don't have the YouTube music application just yet, I can tap on get and it'll ask me to install it. So just tap on install with my Apple ID. So that is the process you will follow if you don't have YouTube just yet. But if you already successfully downloaded it, let's go back and tap on the YouTube icon and get started with our tutorial. So from here, as you can see, we have the home page. And the homepage is where you can see all the videos available on YouTube, such as this one, for example, the Tame Impala cover of Edwin Collins' A Girl Like You. In order for me to watch this, I can just tap on this one and just wait for the ads to finish, and then I can already enjoy the video. You can also tap on the skip ads button if it shows up. And that's it. The video is now playing. In order for me to pause this video, all I have to do is tap on the video and tap on the pause button. And if I want to play it again, of course, I'll just tap on play, and that's it. Now, if I want to watch this on on full screen, all I have to do is tap the video again and tap on this icon here on the bottom right corner of the video. So tap on that one and then flip my phone. As you can see, the video is now on full screen, and if I tap on it, I can see all of the other options as well, such as this one, the CC button, if I want to see the subtitles on this video. So you will only see them if there are actually subtitles available for the video. And even the settings icon, which I can tap if I want to change the quality of the video. Let's say I want to watch it in a higher quality or HD, just tap on that and you can tap on higher picture quality. So that's how you can change the quality of the video. Now let's go ahead and minimize this video by tapping on the same icon on the bottom right corner of the page. So now that we've minimized it, I'll show you how to like this video. It's literally just by tapping on this like button on the left. So just tap on that. So if it is highlighted, it means you already liked it. To unlike it, basically just tap on it again until the highlight is gone. To dislike it, of course, just tap on the dislike button. And if you want to leave a comment, just tap on comments and then tap on add a comment right here. Then you can just type whatever comment you want and then tap the send icon on the right. Now to delete a comment you added, basically just tap on the three dot icon next to your comment and just tap delete or edit if you want to edit it. So let's tap delete. And as you can see, you can also like or dislike a comment right here or reply to a comment. And if you want to exit out of this video, the easiest way is to just swipe down and tap on the X icon on the right. And you can just scroll down and look for other videos you'd like to watch. You can also just look up a video if you want to watch a specific video. So let's say we want to watch, natural or national history clips. Just tap on the search icon there and you can now scroll through the results. So it's really up to you what you want to watch, but that's how easy it is to navigate the YouTube homepage. Now there are also the shorts section right here, also YouTube videos, but are of course much shorter. So you can just swipe down in order to go from one video to the next. That's our tutorial for YouTube. Now let me go ahead and show you how to use the other basic applications. So I'm going to exit out of this page. And the next thing I'm going to show you is how to use the weather application. So the weather application is right here, just above YouTube. All you have to do is tap on that to open it. And once opened, you should see the weather condition where you're currently at. So as you can see, I'm currently in Quezon City and this is the current temperature. And if I scroll down, I can see the 10-day forecast below and even the temperature or the weather all throughout the night. So all I have to do is swipe to the left in order for me to check what will the weather be like for the next couple hours. Now, if I want to see the weather condition in a different place, all I have to do is tap on the three-line icon at the bottom right corner of the page. And as you can see, I already have San Francisco right here. So if I want to see the whole weather report for this one, all I have to do is tap on this. But what if the weather or the city that you'd like to see is not there yet? Here's how you can add it. Just tap on the three-line icon at the bottom right corner of the page again, and just look up the city you'd like to check the weather of by tapping on the search for a city or airport at the top. So let's say we want to check the weather in Miami. Just tap or look up Miami and tap on the results. Let's tap on this one. And if I want to just see it for right now, all I have to do is just scroll down and see the results. But if I want to add it, all I have to do is tap on the add button at the right top corner of the page. And as you can see, I have already successfully added Miami to my weather list. And if I want to view the weather again in the future, I don't need to look it up anymore. I can just tap on Miami and it'll show me the weather there. So you'll basically just navigate through it the same way, scroll down and swipe to the left if you want to see the hourly forecast, and that's it. But if you'd like to change some stuff to it, such as maybe the unit of measure for the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa, you can do that by tapping on the three dot icon at the right top corner. And from here, as you can see, I can edit the list. If I want to, I can delete the two cities I added by tapping on the delete icon on the left. So let's say I'll delete Miami. And then just tap on the trash can icon. Now I'll just tap on done to save the changes. And I'll tap on the three dot again at the right top corner. And maybe change this to Celsius. As you can see, the temperature changed to Celsius on my location and in San Francisco. So it's up to you what you're more comfortable with, but that's how easy it is to use the weather app. And now I'm going to show you how to use the clock application. This is the clock application right here, just above the TV app. So just tap on that. Once the app is open, you should see world clock, alarm, stopwatch, and timer at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, world clock is currently highlighted. That is why I see the different time on the different cities anywhere in the world. Now, if I want to add another city right here, all I have to do is just tap on the plus icon at the right top corner of the page and just look up the city I'd like to add. So maybe I'd like to add or watch or see the time in Seoul, Korea. All I have to do is tap Seoul. And as you can see, it has been added and it's all the way at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you want to edit this page and maybe remove a city, just tap on edit at the right top corner. And just tap on the delete or minus icon on the left of the city you'd like to remove. So let's say, for example, I'd like to remove Seoul. Just tap on that and tap delete. And it is gone. Now, in order to save the changes, all you have to do is tap done at the left top corner. But before that, you can actually also arrange the world clock right here or your list. So let's say I want to see San Francisco first. All I have to do is tap on the three-line icon on the right and just drag it to where I'd like it to be. So I'd like it up to be on top, then just drag it to the top. And if I want London to be all the way at the bottom, just drag it all the way at the bottom. And tap done at the left top corner to save the changes. And there you have it. Now that's world clock, but if you want to set an alarm, just tap on alarm at the bottom of the screen. And then tap on the plus icon at the right top corner of the page. Now you should see add alarm and you can now just set it by swiping up or down these numbers. So let's start with the hour first. Let's say I want to wake up at 3 a.m. So I'm gonna set it to 3 and then let's set the minutes to 00. So there you go. Now, if you want this to be repeated, just tap on repeat. Let's say I want it to repeat every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Friday, and then I'll do it. I'll set it up this way. So if you want to change the label as well, so you know what's up, just tap on label and set it up to something else. So let's say wake up. Now, if you want to change the sound as well, just tap on sound and just choose from the following. So lots of options here, but I'm gonna keep it that way. And if you want this to snooze, just tap the snooze button. If not, you can just turn it off. Now let's say we want it to snooze, so every 9 minutes it keeps going even if you didn't wake up just yet. So just tap on save in order for you to save this alarm. And as you can see, it's been added. Now you can just easily turn it off if you don't really need it by tapping on the green button here. And if you need this alarm again, just turn it back on by tapping on that. It's very simple. Now there's also stopwatch right here. So just tap on this one. Let's say you are running a timer for two people competing. Let's say a race or something. All you have to do is just tap start. And you can just tap on stop if you want this to stop to find the time or yeah, the time that you need. But other than that, there's also the timer right here. So let's say you're cooking and it says set it for 30 minutes, right? So again, just set the hour, minute, or seconds, or let's say maybe 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the time's up. So let's set it to 30 seconds and just tap on start. And as you can see, my timer already started. I think I might have set it up the wrong way. It's 1 hour, so I'm just gonna set that one to 0, and I'll tap on start again. And as you can see, it's gonna go for 30 seconds, and then when the timer ends, it's just gonna make a sound. But I'm gonna cancel this, and that's it. That's all for our clock application. Very easy to use. Now let's exit out of this app because I have more to show you. The next one that I will show you is the notes application. The notes application is next to the clock, so just tap that application. And as you can see, I have a list of notes already. These are basically just some random notations I needed to take note of. I don't even remember, such as this one for my birthday party. But yeah, so let's say, for example, you are at a meeting or you just need to make a grocery list. Just tap on notes and tap on this notes icon at the bottom right corner of the page. And your keyboard should automatically pull up and just make your list. So let's say grocery list, right? And just tap on return so you can start doing your list. You can even put it on bullets by tapping on this bullet icon, or yeah, icon right here in the middle of the screen at the top of the keyboard. And let's start. Let's say I want to buy rice, sugar, and then tap on return again to continue the list. Now, if you want to add a picture, you can just tap on the camera icon right here and choose if you'd like to add a photo, a document, or take a photo or video using your camera or whatnot. Let's say I'd like to add a photo. Maybe this one. I'll just tap on add, and that's it. It's on my notations right here. So you can also use a pen here by tapping on the pen icon here, and you can just use whatever. So just set the color first to whatever you like, but let's use white. And let's say hi. You can notes this way as well. Just tap done in order for you to save that. And you can go back to notes and you should see it on the list already. If you want to add another, just tap on the notes icon again to start a new one. Now that's how easy it is to use the Notes application. Now, if you'd like to, by the way, delete some notes here, it's very simple. All you have to do is just slide to the left and tap on the trash icon next to the notes that you selected. And that should be deleted. Let's go with this one. I'll just tap delete and it's gone. And that's it for the notes. Now I'm gonna go exit out of this app because the next thing that I want to show you is the calendar. So just above notes is the calendar application. All I have to do is tap on that and then we can see the calendar. So this month is April and today is the 6th. Now, if you tap on the 6, you don't really see any schedule or any event you added. But let's say, for example, you have some event, you can actually add them on the calendar in order for you to be notified. So let me just go back to the calendar or the month view. I'm gonna tap on April at the left top corner. And as you can see, I am back on the April month calendar. And as you can see, there's kind of like a dot below the 28th. That's because I have an event on the 28th. So if I tap on the 28th, as you can see, at 5 to 8 p.m., I have this event. And I just need to tap on that to find out what's going on. So it's at 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. It is this event. And if I want to edit that, I can just tap edit and maybe add some alerts so that I will be notified, kind of like an alarm, really. Or I can just delete the event if it's been canceled. But I'm going to cancel this one because I'm going to show you how to add an event. So let's go back to the month calendar view again by tapping on April 28th at the left top corner. Let's say I have something going on Saturday. I'm going to tap on the 8th and I'm going to tap on the plus icon at the right top corner of the page. So I'm just going to add some title right here. Let's say I'm going to go party with gym friends. And now I'm just going to tap on the time. So it starts at what time? Let's say 7 p.m. and it ends, let's say 10 p.m. or let's say 11 p.m., right? And again, if I want to add some alert, like a notification to remind me of it, I can just tap on this. So let's say 1 hour before, so I don't forget and I have enough time to get ready. And I'm just gonna tap on add. And as you can see, if you scroll down here, I have already successfully blocked the time for the party with gym friends. And now I'm gonna go back to the calendar view. And as you can see, there's a dot below 8 already. That just tells me I have an event on the 8th. And you can scroll down to see the other months. And you can even tap on today right here at the bottom left corner of the screen to see, to easily go back to the current date at the moment. So that's how you use or make use of the calendar application. So let's exit out of this page. And let me show you how to use your maps. This is another very helpful application. Just tap on maps. And in order for you to maybe find the direction to go to a certain place, all you have to do is tap on search maps and just really look up the place where you'd like to go. If you don't know the place you'd like to go and you're merely just exploring, you can just tap or you can just go to the find nearby section. So let's say you want to look for nearby restaurants, just tap on restaurants, and it'll give you a list of the restaurants you can visit with how far it is and their hours of operation. So let's try this one, for example, Jollibee. Now, as you can see, it's a 6 minute walk. And if you tap on the 6 minute walk icon on the left, you can just tap on go and it'll show you the directions. All you have to do is keep your maps open and just follow this way in order for you to head to reach your destination. Or you can also just take a look at the instructions at the top. As you can see, it tells me to turn left on Carino Highway. And then I can just swipe to the left to find out the next instruction right here. But if I want to exit out of this, let me just tap on the location at the bottom, the arrow up icon, and then I can just tap on end route. And you can also do the same to other locations. So let's tap on the X icon here. Let's say I want to look up a place. Let's say I'm going to go to Double Dragon Tower 2. I'll just tap on this one. And as you can see, it's 1 hour, 2 minutes by car. So now this is if you're driving, you can just tap on that and then it'll give you the direction as well. So just tap go and then follow the map. Very simple to use. Now I'm going to exit out of the maps page because I want to show you this other application we have here. This is the last application I'd like to show because this is very important. This is the mail application. So the mail application is basically an Apple app which you can use to consolidate all of your emails. So if I open that, as you can see, all of my emails are here. I have my yahoo.com, yahoo.com.ph email, and one of my Gmail accounts. Now, if I want to add another account to it, or if you don't have your email added to it just yet, I'll show you how to add that. And to do it, you have to go to settings. And from settings, you have to scroll down and find mail. Tap on mail and tap on accounts. And as you can see, there's an option for you to add an account. So let's tap on that and then just choose the type of account you'd like to use. I'm going to tap on Google. I'm going to add my other Gmail. So now all you have to do here is basically put in your credentials. So type your email and then just select or tap on continue and then put in your password. So I don't know if I remember my password. Let's see. Just tap on continue in order for you to log in. And once you have already successfully logged in, you should see this page. And all you have to do next is tap on the save icon at the right top corner. Now, after you get the confirmation that the account has been added, you should see it on the list as well. So I have Gmail now, and this is the Gmail that I added right here. And now let's go ahead and check it on the mail application. So let's exit out of settings and then go back to the mail app. And as you can see, a Gmail account has been added on the list. And all I need to do in order for me to check my email is tap on the Gmail. And I should see all my inbox right here. Right now, it's probably still loading since I just added it, but you can swipe down to refresh it and wait for them to show up. But as you can see, if you tap on each of the email, you will basically see all your inbox. You can even tap on all inboxes in order to see all the emails you receive from all these different emails on the list. Now, if you scroll down, there's also other folders like all sent, all trash, and attachments, which you can all tap in order for you to view what's in there. And yeah, I think it's just a very organized way to for you to view all of the information, all of the inbox, everything about your email in one spot instead of going to different websites like Yahoo Mail or Gmail or whatnot. So in order for you to send an email right here, all you need to do is tap on the new email icon at the bottom right corner of the page. So just tap on that. And now you can add an email right here. So just tap or, yeah, just type where you'd like to send it to. So let's say I'm just going to send it to my other email, mindy.111@gmail.com. Or, and then, yeah, I'll just add a subject here. Let's say sample email. And basically just add your email right here. Let's say hi, test, and then add your signature. Now, if you'd like to add an attachment to it, just tap on the arrow button at the top of your keyboard. And as you can see, you can add a photo. So just tap on photo. You can add a picture if you want, or you can tap on X, tap on the arrow again. You can add a file. So this one brings me to my files that I'm gonna cancel since I don't want to add anything else anymore other than this. Now, as you can see, you can also select the email you'd like to send it from. So let's say right now it's currently set to my yahoo.com.ph email. So let's say I want to change it to my Gmail. I'll just tap on this and I'll choose my Gmail, or I can choose to also hide my email. It's up to you what you'd like to use. But in order for you to send this email, all you have to do is tap on send at the right top corner, and you can just select what size your attachment would be. Let's say just small, and then just wait for it to be sent. It will be on the outbox if it's not sent yet, but once successfully sent, you should be able to see it in the all sent folder. But I'm gonna exit out of this page because that's the end of our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.